You just got done painting a landscape, you step back, take a look, and your reaction is, ugh, what is wrong with this painting? I see this all the time with beginner painters. In this video, I will share with you one of the most important things to learn as a new artist, something that seasoned artists already know, how important it is to understand and use different edges in your painting. Hello and welcome. My name is Debbie and I'm a professional artist and painter. I believe that anyone can learn to paint regardless of their age or skill level, and that's what this channel is all about. So, if you're ready to discover the joy and satisfaction of traditional painting or digital painting, then you've come to the right place. Please subscribe to my channel and join me on this exciting journey of artistic exploration and self-expression. Okay. So now let's get started. 9 times out of 10, I can tell just from looking at a finished painting if you're a new or a seasoned artist. One of the biggest tells is the way you use your edges. Edges? What the heck are edges? An edge is the way two colors or surfaces or objects touch each other, the way they meet, how you transition from one to the other. Is it a hard edge or a soft edge? And all the edges in between. But for the ease of explanation, we will just focus on hard and soft edges. A hard edge is when you go from one extreme to another, like white to black. This is a hard edge. Then obviously the soft edge is when you gradually transition into a new color, shade, or hue. You can think of it as blending. Some artists also refer to another type of edge, a lost edge. This is when one object ends and another begins without a transition at all. In other words, both objects are the same hue, color, or shade. And there are also many edges in between, from hard to soft. This one is a hard edge. This is a soft edge. Here are some examples. If you think you understand this, now we can discuss how beginners tend to use edges. In real life, the further something is from you, the blurrier it gets. Try holding your hand up in front of your face. If you're looking at your hand, the background is blurry. It should be the same in your paintings. Most beginners try to paint all objects with the same degree of color, hue, detail, shade, etc. So when I look at a beginner's painting, the most outstanding thing I see is all hard edges. Mountains, trees, everything in the background has hard edges instead of soft. All of the plants have visible leaves. Details are all painted in, no matter where on the canvas they fall. Seasoned painters, on the other hand, use edges to tell the story in the painting. When you want to bring something forward in the painting, you use hard edges. When you want it to fade away, you give it a soft edge. Most of the time, as we all know, in art, rules are never set in stone and can, and sometimes should be broken, but most of the time, your focal point will have the hardest edges. So the best thing you can do as a beginner is to make sure you use both edges, hard and soft, in your paintings. Look around at your finished piece and make sure that you have both soft and hard edges. Make sure your focal point pops by giving it some strategically placed hard edges, then giving a lot of mixed soft edges to the other objects. So remember, no more of this, and definitely more of this. So in review, how do you not look like a noob? Use different types of edges in your art. That's it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about creating different edges in your painting. This technique is a great way to add depth and interest to your paintings. So give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more painting tutorials. Thanks so much for watching.